this video I am going to show how you can fix Windows module installer high usage CPU Windows 10. So firstly go to your taskbar and click on right click on it and open task manager. As task manager open, click on services, then you can go to open services. Here you can open window module installer. Yeah, move down and here it here it is, window module installer. Click its properties, go to automatic option, convert into manual. I have already done it. Then click on stop button. I have already stopped it, so convert it to manual. If you have automatic button, then press OK. Your problem will be solved. If it is not working, then you can again go to open services and find window installer. Here you can find window installer, and here it is, here window update, sorry, here you can find window updates. Click on properties, and here is also I have selected manually, but you have already automatic, then you can convert into manually and click on stop. Window update stopped, and your problem will be solved. Hope your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if the problem is not solved, comment below. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.